Before we write a single feature, let's get your machine ready. You need 3 things: a working Python install, an AI coding assistant, and a terminal you are comfortable with. We will verify each one with a quick check. You can absolutely vibe code on a free tier. Cursor and Claude Code both ship with generous starter limits. Pick one, sign in once, and you are ready. The tool choice matters less than getting comfortable with the loop. Open your terminal. Type Python 3 -- version. If you see a number that starts with 3.11 or higher, you are good. If not, head to python.org and grab the installer. Then run the second command to confirm Python can actually execute a tiny script. 2 checks, and the runtime is ready. Do not spend a week comparing AI assistants. Pick one with a generous free tier, learn its keyboard shortcuts, and move on. You can switch later. For this course, any of these works. If you have no preference, install Cursor. It looks and feels like VS Code, so the learning curve is short, and its chat panel is where most of our prompts will live. Create a file called hello_vibe.py. In Cursor or your tool, type a comment that describes what you want, then accept the suggestion. The model fills in the rest. Run it with Python 3 hello_vibe.py and watch your first AI written program print to the terminal. Python runs, your AI assistant is open, and you have written one line by talking to it. That is the entire setup. Episode 1 explains what is actually happening behind that suggestion.